Hey everyone, Derek Pierce from the Brick Space, and today I'm here to show you how to open up your Sault Ste. Marie Museum building block set so that you can add lighting to the inside of it. Now these sets will be going out to the customers who had ordered them next week, so we can't wait to see what you guys do with them, whether or not you're going to light it or not. So today I will show you how you can light it. So first thing you want to do is you're going to turn your museum set around to the back so you have access to this section of the wall here. This is the section on the wall that we'll be removing so that you can stick either electronic tea candle or small flashlight inside so you can light it. So it's really simple to do. All you got to do is take off these two 2x4 tiles at the top, take off the 3 tiles at the edge, and then take off these 2 dark gray tiles. And once you got that done, you're going to be able to pop off the upper back section of the wall. Once that's done, you're going to want to take off the bottom section of wall, and that'll give you ample room to work inside and put whatever lighting solution you think will look best inside. When you're done and you want to seal it up again, you just take the lower wall, put it back in place, take the upper wall, put it back in place, reattach the gray tiles, reattach your 2 green edge tiles, and then reattach the tiles at the back. Anyways, we hope you enjoyed this brief little educational video on how to open this set up. Once again, we look forward to our customers finally getting a hold of it. And if you share your display or where you're displaying it on social media, or if you do intend to light it up and you want to share that off, be sure to tag the Sault Ste. Marie Museum or the Brick Space on social media, because we would love to see what you get up to with this set. Anyways, we thank you for your support. We thank you for being a customer, and once again, we look forward to getting these sets into your hands, and we hope you enjoy. Thanks. Have a good one.